Mr. Car Master here. Today we have a 17 Hyundai Elantra. This goes for multiple years. I'm going to show you how to take this tail light out. But we're going to look at it first. We already have one out. I'm going to show you what holds it in. It's important. There's two studs with a nut on it. Then there's three push pins. There's a clip here. Push pin that go into a grommet. So what we're going to do is open the trim panel here. Let me see in there, Lewis. We open the trim panel, and you can see the screw coming through here. And that was an 8mm screw. Was that 8mm screw?
Yes, sir.
All right, there's another one there. So other than those two, nothing else holds it but these push pins. There's a clip on the inside here. The push pin goes in there, push pin goes in there. So once you get everything loosened, this one's a little difficult. You just got to keep wiggling it and wiggling it and wiggling it and hitting it till you get it. So we're first going to try to pull on it a little bit. We got the other one out, but we had to work it quite a bit. We're going to remove that back clip there. He's got a little white clip that goes over it. We're going to remove that, and then that will make it easier. Once that comes off, that'll free up this clip here. And then it's just a matter of wiggling it and tapping it around and hitting it till we got it. Took a good minute or two to really work it.
Yes. Okay.
Bad thing, but we really worked it from the bottom here.
Okay, you got it.
Got it off that clip.
Yes, sir.
That was a tough one. You got to really put a lot of work and effort into that. But if you wiggle it around enough and you pull it back and you try to grip it from the bottom and pull it and wiggle it, you'll get it.
It's not easy.
No easy.
Yes, sir.
So now we're going to disconnect the harness. Once you get it out, I want to show you real quick. If you look in here, there's the connection for the socket, so you can just disconnect that here. We're going to pop it off the metal there, the intercooler, and then press the little button in there, the little clip butt release, and then slide that out. All right. Press the little black piece right there, that little button. Pull it back. That disconnected that. And then the light will come free now. If you need to change your bulb, you just basically unscrew this. And here you just unscrew these. They're hard to get to. You spin them, pull it out, there's a bulb in there. You can replace the bulb. So Beer Master, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.